Gamelan yang ka DC Office West Kasihil District. Desa one page yang ka video adu bandakut kadang mapin suntuk ba. Job election kedai West Kasihil Meghalaya. Ka application process kedai offline. Lazar ban submit ya ki application form kalong R4 April ajar offline. Ketengah post kedai E District Manager. Ki post kilong tangkawai. Kajinsiu kalong R4 ajar sibnai. Kadan pulai ki kandat kedai ki bladap ya ka BSc, BCA, BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, Computer Science, Graduation na kano-kano ka recognized board and university. Ka application fees nil omdon. Ka selection process kadai interview. No ban apply ki kandat kila ban apply lang ba ka prescribed application form. Ki applicant ki don kampan pa ya ki application form kumcu upat ki relevant dokumen Shaka room number Aspash Po General Branch Deputy Commissioner West Kasihil District Mustang. Matkum juru namta ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. The court application namta ka post driver. Job election kadai West Kasihil Meghalaya. Ka application process kadai offline. Asal ban submit application kalong R4 April ajar R4. Katengah post day driver. Di post kilong tangkawai. Kajinsiu kalong katan ajar sibnai. Income qualification katkum ka MBMA official notification ki kandidat kita ki badap ya ka kelas 10 na kano ka recognized board lane university. Ka application fees omdon. Ka selection process kadai kat test driving license but interview. Kumno ban apply ki kandidat ki badon interest ki la ban apply lang ba ka prescribed application form. Ki applicant ki don kam ban pha ya ki application form kumju bat ki relevant document Show Deputy Commissioner Basin Development Unit West Kasihil Mustang. Tarik ronkam katarik stang apply offline kalong tarik April ajar offline. Katarik last date ban apply offline kalong 4 April ajar offline. Publish